Yo, chat, what's going on, guys? How we doing? How are we doing, chat? I need to change this. Yo, hold on, guys. Can y'all hear me? All right, what's good? All right, I'm gonna break this down to y'all real quick in regards to this gold setup. Just bust this thing on down for y'all. Hold on, how do I do this? Fuck. Sick. All right, so in regards to this gold specifically, this is what I am looking at, what I'm seeing. All right, if you guys took my buys yesterday, we sniped this shit down here. Had a crazy sniper, price went up, pulled back. I thought we would have a pullback, but today we had this huge, insane pump, and now we're currently here. Now, if we're looking at this, what we can see is that the MACD is showing us that the strength is going down, but up here the chart is going up. That is an indication of what I like to call divergence. So there's divergence on multiple time frames, on the lower time frame and the higher time frame, right? So on the lower time frame, there's some divergence as well. Right now, we just caught a entry for the sell side. We keep floating in between like 50 to 100 pips of profit. Our TP1 is right here at 167 flat. The reason I chose 167 flat was just because this is the relative higher low that put in the highest high. This is the current market all-time highest high, right? We've had such a big expansion as well. So even though we've done this, I just want to see a move like this come down. And what that'll potentially do for us is, it'll kind of give us like a harmonic pattern as well into that Fibonacci range, right? So just overall, it's kind of what I want to see right now. I'm not necessarily super confident in the sell. That's why I said do small risk. I'm not like dumbass confident in the sell side on this specific trade. That's just because of the risk of gold just continuing to keep go up. But here's the thing is if we look at a higher time frame, let's say a 15-minute time frame or even a 5-minute time frame, what we can see is that there's an inefficient pricing range right here. Some people call this an imbalance. Some people call it in fair value gap. Some people call it whatever they want to call it. Now, for me, when I'm looking at this, I'm going to look at the actual specific candles, and I'm going to see if there's actually volume on these candles. So as you guys can see, as I zoom in, we use this fixed range volume profiling tool. What I'm actually able to see is I'm able to see the orders on this data feed, which is Oanda. Relatively very similar to other data feeds as well. But basically what we can see is that price made such a fast, aggressive move in one direction that what ends up happening is there's only price being offered in one direction, right? What does that mean? It just means that there's so much buying pressure going on that there's no selling pressure. You can see that up here, there's buyers and sellers, buyers and sellers, buyers and sellers. And on this range, there's only buyers and there's no sellers. There's bids, but there's no asks and so on and so forth. So this tells me that there's inefficient pricing here or there's an imbalance there. Now, what does that mean? It means that eventually price needs to come and fill this imbalance. And, it's on multiple time frames as well, if I'm not mistaken. It's on multiple time frames. You could even see it right here, even on this big time frame that we have right here, right? So in regards to it, there's structure, there's that imbalance, there's a bunch of things lining up to help us take that move to the downside. All we really need to see is All we really need to see for real is price break this range right here. Yo, Anwar, grab the door. Anwar! Yo, guys, hold on. Yo, bro. You can't grab the door? You can't hit the door already? Come on. Yo, what's good, guys? Yo, I'm on the stream. Give me like 10 minutes. Oh, shit. You gonna be done? Yo, my bad, guys. I had some friends pull up, but basically, what's gonna happen is if we could hold this range right now, there's a lot of liquidity down below, right? Even right now, there's a lot of liquidity being built up. So you know, you got liquidity here, 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 even down here. So you know, potentially, once this thing breaks down, if we can get that break, I mean, it'll be a good move. I'm not in too deep, to be honest. I got a couple lots in this mug right now. I've got 2 lots in, and I am currently down. I'll show it to you guys. I'm 2 lots in. I'm down $2,500 right now. $2,600. Obviously, I have a pretty fat account, so I'm not really tripping on that. But I'm gonna scale into one more position. One more position on this thing. Put the stop loss on. I said the stop is at 52.14. Let's see. What's up, bro? You wanna say what's up to my chat? Yo, chat, it's my bro Les. Say what's good, bro.
What it do?
Yeah, that's my boy Les right here.
Getting to the loopy loop.
What you sipping on, man?
Sakai. Sakai.
That's good. Y'all got more of that? Yeah. I'm gonna go grab me some too. All right. So entry we just took. It's already kind of in profit. I'm up $400 on that one. Got 3.0 open in total. All we need is some follow through right now. They said, hey Les. you got some fans in the chat, brother.
What they said?
Tish Williams just said, hey Les. That's it. All right.
What it do?
Yeah, we just get into it. Everyone's saying hello though. Yeah, all we need to do is just see some follow through. We can get this follow through the way we want it. This shit should be good. All we want to see is just some type of break of structure. Oh, whoops. Once we can get some type of break of structure, we should just see some follow through. I mean, our TP1 is right here below this low, 51.67. I mean, even at TP1, from where we entered at is roughly 270 pips. I mean, that's a great freaking trade just alone, just like that. Honestly, I might adjust TP1 to probably below these lows. Let me think. I might adjust TP1 to somewhere right here, just because there's a there's liquidity sitting right here. I'm gonna adjust TP1 to this price right here. It's still gonna be a decent TP1. It's gonna be just 107 pips, so that is at 180, 181. So guys, I'm gonna adjust TP1 real quick. I'm gonna adjust TP1, adjust TP1. Adjust TP1. Yo, sell gold now. Do small risk though, bro. Adjust TP1 to 5181.
I did a sell at 5189 and 5188.
Okay, but don't do 1.0s. Your account's not big enough to handle that. Do like.
I did a 1.0.
Oh man, you about to you just don't want if this hits stop loss on that, you're gonna lose like half your account, bro. 2.0, 200 pips. That's $4,000.
You think it's gonna though?
No, but this isn't really the trade I want. The trade I want is the buy, but I like the divergence on this right now to go lower, right? The trade that I'm waiting for, the one that I said earlier I wanted 200 reactions on, was the buy. I don't know if you're watching this live stream I'm on, but there's a buy down here at 5100, 5108, 5112. That's where I want to buy at. But
Hold on,
it's
you got me on live right now?
yeah, I'm on the live stream, bro.
Real nigga.
Yeah, they might be able to hear you. I don't know. He said 1.0. Yeah, they said 1.0 is insane. Bro, I have a 3.0 open right now on gold, but I obviously have a multiple six-figure account. But it's starting to move. I would just say bro, just watch the risk. That's all I'll say is just if you get into profit, I would close half of those positions, to be honest.
Yeah.
Okay, Rico Shmoney, I see you, brother. How we doing? Yeah, I mean, I adjusted the TP1 though, so I mean it should be good. Hopefully we can get the TP1 out of this thing. I ain't gonna lie.
TP1 5181,
Yeah, TP1 5181. Just gonna put that there. TP1. All right, let's see. That's a quick. If it hits TP1 at the current lots that you have, you'll make 2K. So I mean that's good.
Yeah.
But it's the risk to reward factor. But I'm about to stop looking at gold, guys. Even though we have this open position on gold already in profit. Yo, if you're in profit in this trade right now, go ahead and drop a 1 in the chat. We're up about 40, 50 pips depending on where you entered at. Drop a 1 in the chat. Let me just see who's making money with me right now.
Yes, sir.
All right, perfect. It's lit. 1's in the chat. I love to see it. Yo, guys, drop your profits in the Telegram chat for me right now, too. Since we're here on this thing live, drop your shit in the Telegram as well.
Yes, sir. We in the green, my boy.
All right, just watch the risk, bro. You don't want to let a winner turn into a loser type shit,
Yeah.
I would just take some of that risk off the table since you're over leveraged. You need to stop dropping 1.0s on your account, bro.
I know, bro. Flopping. Yo, tell me this, bro. Yo, how do you set multiple TPs? How do you do that?
So you don't set multiple TPs. You can only set one TP. But it's just when you send TP 1, 2, and 3, it's just like where you think price is gonna go distant wise.
Okay. So like when it gets close to TP1, that's when you change it to TP2, right?
I mean, you could do it like that, bro. Or since you have 2 positions, you could do maybe 1 TP1, 1 TP2. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I would say since you're fresh in the game, bro, I would just focus on TP1 every time. Just get in and out with the bag and just keep it moving.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. But yo, bro, I'm gonna look at Bitcoin, so I'm gonna hang up the phone on you, and I'm gonna change the screen to Bitcoin.
Yeah. Sounds good, bro.
Peace.
Sounds good.
All right, yo, guys, I ain't gonna lie, Bitcoin looks great. We look like we're accumulating a lot right now. So, if you were to look at a Wyckoff schematic. If you were to look at a Wyckoff schematic right now, let me see which one I want to look at. Give me 1 sec. All right, cool. So look at this. Y'all can see this schematic I just put on the chart? Let me know. Hold on, let me just look. Somebody asked about this. All right, we're in a little bit of drawdown right now, about 60 to 70 pips on gold. It's okay. Don't sweat it. That's why we did low risk. Now, I'm just going to talk about Bitcoin, and then I'm probably going to get off, guys. I got some friends that just pulled up. But, yo, so in regards to it, if we just label this out, we have a SC. SC stands for Seller's Climax. We got a Seller's Climax. Seller climax followed by a ST secondary test, right? Then we have what we call a spring. This is like the shakeout that goes a little bit lower, shakes everybody out. And then right after that, now we're starting to see some structure breaks back to the upside. So there's a couple tests, and then this is called LPS. And then once we start breaking through these highs over here, that'll be a sign of strength. But right now, as you guys can see on the drawing, it kind of goes like this, right? So same thing on Bitcoin. It kind of just you know, holds and moves like this. Let me see. Gold going the other way. Yeah, I mean, you know what happens, guys. Let's see. It looks like we could potentially be mitigating right here. What a crazy candle. Yeah, that was a deep candle. You know, it would have been nice if this stupid candle went the other way, right? If this shit went this way, that would have been great. Would have smashed right through TP. All right. Let me continue this though. I'm gonna finish this. Right now, Bitcoin looks great for another big leg up. But you guys understand this schematic? Is this making sense to y'all?
What you say? Oh, I like how you talk. What you say? What did you say? You gotta see his ass.
Yeah, I'm dead. Yo, what's good, Wes?
What up, brother?
You gonna say what's good to the chat?
Oh yeah, you streaming?
Yeah, I'm streaming
What
right
it
now.
do, chat?
Hold on, you gotta come down so the camera can see you.
What it do, chat? What y'all got going on, man?
This is the homie Wes. Les and Wes. Les said hello first, and now it's Wes this time.
Les and Wes.
You ever come to Dallas and act up, he's gonna stamp your face.
Yeah, it'll say "so" on your head. Yes, Sirski.
Yeah, I'm almost done though. They said, "Hey, Wes." They said, "What it do, Wes?"
What it do?
We got the
I
game.
need to learn what y'all learning.
Yeah, we're getting cracked right now. Sent out this trade, but it looks like it's going the wrong way, brother. Oh man. Alright, we're roughly about 60 pips from SL right now, guys. Sheesh. It's crazy. It started off good. Started off smooth 170 pips in our direction. Let's see. We still see divergence. Still a lot of divergence for us to go back down. If this turns around right now, it'll be crazy. Let's see. I'll wait and watch. I'll put an alert up here if it hits. I think this one's gonna hit SL, guys. Alright, I got an alert set.
Bro, your ass hell. Look, I fuck with you.
Is that?
I'm dead.
You just gonna jump out there and say that like that?
It's just crazy. Win some, you lose some. Yeah, facts. But I mean, you know, if we put into perspective, the last two gold trades we've had, I mean, this was a good one. It was plus 3R. This one still has potential to be a 1 to 4. You never know. The same way we just had this fat ass candle up, we might have a fat ass candle down. But we just gotta wait and see what happens. See what happened on NAS today. let's see, guys. I think this might SLS all here together. But you know what? I mean, it is what it is. It's no cap in the rap. If we lose, we gonna lose this mug together. I don't know why it's backwards, but yo, if we lose, we gonna lose this together. If we lose this, we gonna lose it together, family. Sucks because this little 6-7K was how much I made on gold yesterday. It's like sometimes you take shit and you gotta just give it back, you know? How long you been trading? 10 years. 2016 is when I got started. What's good, bro?
2016 when I jumped off the porch. You know what I'm saying? And I lit the torch.
Yeah.
Liddy committee.
Yeah, it was 2016. Oh man, I'm looking at this now. It's almost all right. Stop loss hit, guys. Stop loss hit, guys. SL hit. Sorry, gang. All right. Wait. Oh shit. All right. There we are. After that L we just took, we're at for 2K for the week minus 29.54. And that, my friends, is how you gracefully take a $6,000 L on the day. All good. That's why we have the SL. Yes, sir. But, yo, you know what? We'll come back, try again, New York. You know, this market right now, the conditions right now are honestly insane just because it just keeps on going up and up and up and up and up. It's honestly crazy. Yeah, but, you know, guys, sorry for the L. Bitcoin looks good, though. If any of you are holding Bitcoin, Bitcoin looks great right now. I'll probably trade NAS tomorrow in the morning, 8:30 a.m. Central, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. But I know that gold's going to pull back, but it's just insane. The market conditions that we're seeing right now are wild. The fact that price just keeps going up and up and up and up and up and up, and it's not really rebounding that heavy. Anytime you get a rebound into a nice zone, you can almost guarantee you're going to have a fat swing to the upside. I would say the next buy that we line up and the next buy that sets up to go up after a pullback, we'll line it up to take massive swings, and whatever L we take, we bounce right back. Yeah, it was a small loss. As long as you guys did good risk, we should be good to go. But unless you were Nikki, I know Nikki called. He was in 2 lots deep on that. I know he's going to be tough. You going to save this live? Yeah, bro, it'll be saved. It'll automatically save, to be honest. But yo, guys, I got some company over right now. I'm gonna do like 4 or 5 minutes of Q&As if you guys are down, and I'm probably gonna get off. Business player. This is me on a yacht. A little shorty feeding me grapes. Super player, right? Yeah, I mean, let me know, guys. Y'all any questions? I'm gonna stay on here for like 5 minutes. I'll answer whatever questions you guys have. I'm just gonna just take my L and call it. How long did it take you to become profitable? It took me like a year and a half. Justin looked like a GTA character. You think so? Yeah, soon we'll be streaming every day, and it'll be so much fun. Y'all don't got no questions? Do you have a set number of trades you like to hit a day? Honestly, I've only been trading NAS, so all I've been trading is NAS 100, and like, you know, this trade and the previous gold trade are the only trades I've taken this week so far. I haven't even traded NAS yet, to be honest.
What they saying about that sauce? You wanted it? What did it say? How far away?
How much time you put in daily? How much time do I put in daily to what?
Justin in here getting active.
Who's that? Oh, it's Juan.
Yeah.
Yo, where'd you go? You went back upstairs? Oh.
Oh, you went to go get me? Yeah, I'm down here.
Yeah, I'm on.
LA let me down. He can't. He
I'm
can't
on
to
this.
bring these other things.
Yeah, I'm on the stream right now, broski. No, you good, you good, you good. Yeah, one day we'll do a stream with my boy Vaughn. One of my homies that lives in the building. His name's Vaughn Miller. He's like a Super Bowl MVP champ. He's coming down here right now. We're all about to hang out, shoot the shit, XYZ. But I'll have some interesting streams coming soon. Yo, if you guys haven't, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. But honestly, guys, I think I'm going to call it today. Appreciate y'all taking the time out of your day to watch. And it said how much time you put in daily to become profitable. Back then, all day, every day, every hour of the day, all day, all night. You know, the grind back then was way different. But now I don't really look at the charts as often as I did back then. Back then, I'd be on the charts all day trying to figure it out, trying to understand the market. But now it's a little bit different. But yo, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Sorry for the L.